Hey peeps, I want to answer a question that was on my comment on a YouTube video. And he says, I am 10% body fat, play piano, and do art, and still got dumped. Where do I go from here? It's still brutal out there, but I got some game plans up my sleeve. I needed to answer this YouTube comment. The guy says, I'm 10% body fat, play piano, and do art. I'm going to close my laptop here and focus on this. Because let me tell you, it doesn't matter what you do, how much money you have. Even, I give this example all the time, even Tom Brady divorced his wife, got divorced. I guarantee she was the one that pushed that divorce. Best NFL player of all time, tall, handsome, rich, super famous, the highest status possible. You cannot go any higher than that. Even those men are losing out. So my bro, I know you got 10% body fat, you're probably ripped, and first of all, good for you. Good that you play piano, good that you do art, good that you've got all these other interests, and you've got a life outside of her. But let me tell you something. How you act towards her in your relationship, in your interactions, is also extremely key. I'm not going to say it's everything, but it's a huge part of attracting her and maintaining that attraction. Because what happens is women lose attraction. Okay, they lose attraction once they know, okay, I've got him. Oh, he's boring. He's doing the same stuff all the time. Oh, look at this other hot guy that just ran past me with a six pack. He looks ripped. Oh, he looks masculine. Oh, I bet he would fuck the shit out of me. This is what goes through their mind. This is literally what goes through their mind. This shit's absurd. I didn't make up the rules. I just know the rules, and I'm trying to help you learn how to play it back on them. Okay? Now, if you understand how to play the rules, then you can play the game quite efficiently. And ultimately, even if you do all of those things correctly, like you've said, right, you've got a life outside of this girl, you're super cool, you play piano, you're attractive, whatever. I'm sure there's other things that you have. The point is she will still dump you in today's day and age for a number of different reasons. Here are the reasons. The first one is she found someone else who's just got more than you, who might be richer, who might be more handsome, and who may have just played it right, and who may have stuck around for a while. He might be famous, he might have some status, he might have a few million followers on Instagram, he might be a hockey player, he might be well known, and he's been after her, and she likes the idea of it, and she started to lean more towards him. I'm sorry to say, but that shit happens. That's the first one. The second thing is, you became complacent. You got complacent, bro. You were like, it's cool, I've got her, it's fine, I'm just gonna do my thing, it's all good, I'm just gonna treat her like a queen the whole time. You actually can't treat her like a queen the whole time. She will take advantage of that shit. She will literally take advantage of you treating her like a queen by dumping you and going with a next guy who just so happens to treat her like shit, but she likes him and she likes the chaos in that relationship. Because women seem to love chaos for some strange ass reason. They love drama, they love chaos. So you know what? Sometimes you got to create a bit of that chaos and a little bit of that drama for them to just be all entangled up in that bullshit. To me, it's bullshit. To us, it's bullshit as men because we think logical. We just want A, B, C, D. I like you, chill with me, let's do this, that's that. You need to understand that that's not how it works in a woman's mind. It ain't logical. It's purely chaotical emotions. So you became complacent. You started letting her walk all over you. You didn't pull back when the time was right. You weren't unavailable at times. I know she was your girlfriend, but sometimes you want to be like, hey baby, I've got this big project I need to do today. Let's talk tomorrow. I really need to finish this. And if she's like, oh, well, he didn't give me time and he didn't show me enough attention anymore, that is bullshit. Because if you're focusing on your purpose and you're actually getting somewhere in life and you're developing as a man and you're unavailable for her, I'm not saying be unavailable all the time. I'm saying you got to find that balance, strike that balance where you're like, baby, I'm busy today, but we'll go for a beautiful stroll tomorrow, and then you'll sleep with her and have some good sex with her the next day and spend some time with her. And then after that, you're going to go and do your thing and be a man again and go crack on playing your piano or creating this musical piece. So you probably became complacent, my bro. You've got to keep creating that kind of that unavailability, that distance. If she's your wife and you live with her, okay, I understand. But even then, bro, you need your space. A man needs his space. He cannot be stuck with a woman at home all day because she will just give you shit constantly. Do this, do that. Oh, you don't seem that busy. Oh, help me cook. Blah, 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 blah. The shit's endless. So you've got to be busy. You've got to be out of the house. You've got to be doing stuff. Babe, I'm at the gym. Babe, I'm building a business. Babe, I'm building a brighter future for the both of us. What do you want from me? I'm a man. The more she sees that you're a man, the more she sees that you're out there doing your shit and you're on your purpose, the more she's going to stick around and think, hey, maybe I shouldn't lose this guy. Now, so that was the second thing. So the first thing is she found someone else, maybe because she just started losing feelings for you, losing attraction for you. The second thing is you became complacent, right? Now, another thing is that, and this, by the way, there could be a number of different reasons, but these are the main reasons. Another thing is that you're not giving her what she wants in terms of sex, right? So, whatever, you come too early, you stopped having sex, you're not great in bed anymore, you're kind of tired, you don't want to do it. You need to be banging your missus like you're a fucking champion, okay? You need to be banging her like a champion. Whether she wants it slow and she wants you to make love to her, all well and good. Or whether she wants it a little bit rough and a little bit nasty and a little bit cheeky. You need to fulfill her sexual desires. Because if you don't, somebody else will. How crazy is that shit? Somebody else will fulfill her sexual desires. She's going to come across some masculino Chad massive dude and he's going to be, I don't know, attractive, and he throws some lines at her and she just so happens to slip up and cheat on you. This shit is happening, man. This is happening so much. It's 2024. You guys need to wake up. Like, if you don't have a grip on your woman, she is going to roam free and start bucking around outside of the house and start bucking around outside of your relationship. Okay, so those are the three main things. She either found someone else, but usually she'll find someone else because she's constantly comparing you to other people and you're just not matching up because you're just losing out, right? Now, if she dumped you, bro, she ain't for you, first of all, right? If she dumped you and you're a cool dude, you got all those things going on, she dumped you, it's over, okay? I'm sorry, bro, but it's over. If you want her back, then I was just letting you know the three things that probably went wrong so that you don't make the same mistake in the future. If you want her back, bro, step back. I did a video on this yesterday about how to get your ex back. Please watch that. I'm not going to go over the same things over and over again. The point of this video was to tell you why she walked away from you. And it was those three things, bro. She found someone else. You got complacent in the relationship. Oh, baby, whatever you want, baby, anything on. And you liked her more than she liked you. You showed more intent. You loved her more than she liked you, right? That gets boring for a woman. She starts getting bored. She starts like, oh, she needs a challenge. Women need a challenge. Women want some chaos. Women want some strange ass emotions. It's some weird shit. Listen, I don't like playing this game, but I know I have to play this game. If it was up to me, it'd be smooth. It'd be calm, I'd express myself, I'd be communicative, but that's not how this shit works. Women sub-communicate, they don't clearly communicate exactly what they want. They beat around the bush, they go passive, they go silent, they go have sex with someone else, some weird shit goes on, you're like, what happened? Oh my God. And she was like, yeah, well, I was upset this whole time and you didn't show me enough love or we didn't have sex enough and I just felt like. It's always gonna be, I just felt like, okay? She feels like. Because it's all about her feelings at the time, all right? So, bro, that's what happened in your relationship. I'm sorry about that. I want to answer more of your YouTube comments in my videos because they're super interesting comments. And the idea is to help you guys out in your relationships. And don't get complacent again. Keep being the man that you want to be. Keep that distance and keep your availability. Don't be available all the time. Be the man. You've got shit to do. Be masculine. These are my core values. Stay masculine, my bro. Stay on your purpose. Your purpose is first. Your mother is second. Your woman is third. Okay? Nobody will replace your mum and dad. Your mum and dad will come top of that list. Okay? Your health, your purpose, your family. Then it's your woman. She does not come first. Because if you lose all the others, funny enough, you lose her. If you have all the other shit going on pretty well, suddenly she sticks around. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.